Article 14, Aggravating Circumstances. The following are aggravating circumstances. Paragraph 1. That advantage be taken by the offender of his public position. Paragraph 2. That a crime be committed in contempt or with insult to the public authorities. Paragraph 3. That the act be committed with insult or disregard of respect to the offended party on account of his rank, age, or sex, or that is committed in dwelling the offended party, if the latter has not given provocation. Paragraph 4. That the act be committed with abuse of confidence or obvious ungratefulness. Paragraph 5. That the crime be committed in the place of chief executive or in his presence or where public authorities are engaged in the discharge of their duties or in a place dedicated to religious worship. Paragraph 6. That the crime be committed in the nighttime or an uninhabited place or by a band, whenever such circumstances may facilitate the commission of the offense. Whenever more than 3 armed malefactors shall have together in the commission of an offense, and shall be deemed to be having committed by a band. Paragraph 7. That a crime be committed on the occasion of a conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, epidemic, or other calamity or misfortune. Paragraph 8. The crime be committed with the aid of armed men or person who ensure or afford impunity. Paragraph 9. That the accused is a recidivist. A recidivist is one who at the time of his trial for one crime shall have been previously convicted by final judgment of another crime embraced in the same detail of this code. Paragraph 10. That the offender have been previously punished by an offense to which law attaches an equal or greater penalty, or for 2 or more crimes to which it attaches a lighter penalty. Paragraph 11. That a crime be committed in consideration of a prize reward, or promise. Paragraph 12. That a crime be committed by means of inundation, fire, poison, explosion, stranding of a vessel, or intentional damage, derailment of a locomotive, or by use of any other artifice involving great waste and ruin. Paragraph 13. That the act be committed with evidence premeditation. Paragraph 14. That the craft, fraud, or disguise be employed. Paragraph 15. That advantage be taken of superior strength or means be employed to weaken the defense. Paragraph 16. That the act committed with treachery, alibusia. There's treachery when the offender commits any of crime against person employing means, methods, or forms in the execution thereof which tend directly and specially to ensure its execution without risk to himself arising from the defense which the offended party might make. Paragraph 17. That means be employed or circumstances brought about which add ignominy to the natural effect of the act. Paragraph 18. That the crime be committed after unlawful entry. Paragraph 19. There is unlawful entry and an entrance of a crime, a wall, roof, floor, door, or window be broken. Paragraph 20. That the crime be committed with the aid person under 15 years of age or by means of motor vehicle, motorized watercraft, airship, or other similar means. Paragraph 21. That the wrong done in the commission of the crime be deliberately augmented by causing other wrong not necessary for its commission.